You're watching FTM News and I'm Suraj. California-based startup has successfully launched the world's first 3D printed rocket into space. However, the mission was not fully successful as the rocket failed to reach orbit. The mission did not carry any form of payload and failed nearly 3 minutes into the flight. The startup, which is aiming to revolutionize the space travel and satellite launch market, is using 3D printing technology to replace traditional casting of rockets. The rocket named Terran was made up of 85% 3D printed metal parts. The company had earlier this month aborted the launch of a rocket made almost entirely from 3D printed parts. Minutes before the scheduled liftoff, the latest launch attempt was the third from the company's former missile site in California. Relativity Space says that larger version of the rocket will have even more 3D printed parts and will be reusable for multiple flights. The 3D printing processes used by the company involves machine that autonomously prints sequential layers of soft liquid or powdered materials, which are then quickly hardened or fused to form solid three-dimensional objects. The design of the object are scanned from digital blueprints. That's all in FTM. Keep watching us, like and subscribe our channel for more technology awareness videos.